In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate custom forms in Shopify, perfect for beginners, and it's just as relevant in 2025. Right, let's get started with your Shopify journey. Whether you're launching a new online store or enhancing your existing one, integrating custom forms can be an excellent tool for better customer interaction. To begin, head over to the Shopify dashboard. You'll want to log into your store, and once you're there on the homepage, find the settings option. You'll see this option at the bottom left corner, nestled comfortably on your screen. Clicking on settings is like opening the door to a whole host of customizations and adjustments for your store, so it's an important step. Next, within the settings menu, locate and click on apps and sales channels. This section is all about equipping your store with the necessary tools to maximize efficiency and performance. Here, you're going to find apps that can extend your store's capabilities in various ways, including creating custom forms. Once you're there, it's time to visit the Shopify App Store. There's a neat way to get there. Simply hit the aptly named Shopify App Store option, and it will take you where you need to go. This store is where you'll find countless apps to help optimize, customize, and elevate your online business. Now in the App Store, it's time to search for a form builder. You'll want to type form builder into the search bar at the top. As it populates search results, you'll notice several apps listed, but today we'll focus on the powerful contact form builder. Go ahead and click on it. With the apps page before you, the next step is to click install. Installation is straightforward and doesn't take too long. Once you install it and follow any prompts, you'll then be presented with a plan option. For our purpose today, select continue as free. The free plan generally includes a sufficient set of capabilities for setting up basic custom forms without any cost, which is perfect when you're just starting out or testing new features. Once you've confirmed your plan, now comes the creative part, creating your custom form. Click on Create Form and you'll be presented with templates to choose from. You'll find a variety of options that suit different needs, whether for a contact form, survey, or product inquiry form. Choose a template that aligns with your vision and go ahead and click Select. Now, you're free to edit the template according to your preferences. Whether you want to adjust fields, add more custom questions, or tailor it to fit your store's theme, you have the freedom to make it truly yours. Once everything is just as you want, don't forget to click Save. Finally, to make your form live on your site, click on Publish. With this click, your custom form becomes an active feature of your store, ready for all your customers to interact with. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated custom form complementing your Shopify store and helping you engage more effectively with your audience.